Tired of a cluttered Pipedrive inbox slowing you down? Learn exactly how to delete emails in seconds and keep your sales flow clean. If you're like me, your sales inbox can quickly turn into a dumping ground for old conversations, automated notifications, and messages you just don't need anymore. It makes finding that one important client email feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But here's the good news. Cleaning it up is way simpler than you might think. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete single or multiple emails from your Pipedrive sales inbox. No fluff, no confusing menus, just a straight path from overwhelmed inbox to streamlined organization. So let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Pipedrive account. You'll land on your main dashboard, which is where the magic begins. Now, look over at the left sidebar. You'll see a bunch of different options there. The one we're after is called Sales Inbox. Just click on that. Once you're inside the sales inbox, you'll notice a few folders on the left. The main one we care about right now is the inbox folder. Give that a click and you'll see all your emails load up. All right, here's where we get hands-on. Scroll through your list of emails and find the one you want to remove. Maybe it's an old newsletter, a completed deal conversation, or just spam. Take your time, you're in control here. Once you've spotted the email, look to the far left of it. There's a small checkbox. Click that checkbox and you'll see the email get highlighted. That's your signal that it's been selected and ready for action. And here's the really important part. If you have a bunch of emails you want to clear out at once, you don't have to delete them one by one. Just click the checkbox next to every email you want gone. You can do this for as many as you need. In my experience, this is the fastest way to declutter when you've got a whole batch of old messages. Now, look up at the top toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like a trash can or a delete symbol. Go ahead and click that. This tells Pipedrive you're ready to clean house. A small window or prompt will pop up, showing you a list of the emails you've selected. This is your chance to do a quick double check. Make sure you're not accidentally deleting something important, like that quote you sent yesterday or a message from a hot lead. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to commit. Click the Confirm button, and then wait just a moment. Pipedrive will process your request and remove those emails from the inbox. Depending on how many you selected, this might take a second or two. You'll see them disappear from the list, leaving you with a much cleaner, more manageable workspace. And that's it. From an inbox that felt overwhelming to a streamlined view where you can actually find what matters. I've tested this process myself, and it's one of those small workflow changes that makes a huge difference over time. You're not just deleting emails, you're reclaiming your focus. So next time your inbox starts to pile up, you know exactly what to do. Happy selling!